Some people can find when they start learning to drive that they become very nervous. It's quite a stressful thing, isn't it, learning to drive? But put that together with taking your driving test on one day, waiting to get your A-level results the next day, and on the day when you're trying to get in to your local town centre to meet your instructor to take your driving test, your bus is late. Listen to Ellie's story. Right, so just on the way back from a driving test, I've got Ellie in the car who's just passed her test first time and one minor fault. And I thought we'd have a little chat with her and see what she thought about the test, see if they're listening to this. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Ellie. How old are you?
18.
18. Okay.
Very nervous when it comes to driving.
Okay.
Well, I used to, yeah.
Yeah. Just finished your A-levels?
Yeah.
Waiting for results when?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So a very stressful week, doing a driving test for the first time and waiting for A-level results tomorrow. So, you said you're nervous. Did you find the whole experience of learning to drive very nervous? Are you nervous in general or just when you started driving?
It's pretty much just driving, to be honest.
Okay.
Like, the whole thing in general, everything's so overwhelming.
Right, okay.
Like, multitasking, I struggled so much with it at the start.
Okay, yeah. And was there anything else in particular that you struggled with? You're saying multitasking. Any things in particular that you disliked during the process, the subjects that perhaps you didn't like or you found more confusing?
In general, things like big roundabouts and like manoeuvres, I guess.
Yeah, manoeuvres.
Parallel park, definitely.
Parallel park, okay. And you've obviously used the video on the channel for that
very
one.
helpful.
Helped that one, okay. So we've obviously done mock tests, haven't we?
Yes.
Do you think you could have took that driving test today without taking the mock test?
Not a chance.
Not a chance, okay. So do you feel that when you went up today, so obviously you've been learning with me female and you've actually had an examiner today that's a male, so that's obviously a bit different, isn't it, when you're used to having a female in the car. Did you feel that it was exactly the same when you had the test today? Did it feel the same as when I did the mock tests with you?
Yes.
All the wording and everything pretty much the same?
I knew exactly what was going on the whole time because of the mock tests.
And do you think that helps knowing that?
Yeah.
Okay, so having a mock test, you would say most probably is a must.
Definitely.
Okay, and you found the videos helpful. Okay, so how's this going to most probably help you change your life, having a full driving licence?
I'll enjoy the freedom kind of thing. I'm having to wait for buses and then wait for them to be late like they were this morning.
Right, okay, so a bit stressful, bus was late coming in. So your location doesn't have that regular amount of buses.
No.
How often are they?
Once an hour if I'm lucky.
Once an hour if you're lucky. So trying to plan a journey into your local town,
it's a struggle.
Not the easiest. So yeah, getting a car obviously going to help that.
100%.
Give you that experience. So, going back to saying that you're nervous, is there any advice that you could give to anybody that's maybe nervous in general and thinking about learning to drive or has recently started and feeling like they're really struggling? Is there any sort of tips and advice that you could give them?
Just breathe, I guess.
Breathe, that helps.
Don't think too much about, obviously think, but don't overthink, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
If you make a mistake, move on.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
So bin, which is what we quite often say, don't we? Bin it all. There's no point in keep, dwelling on something that you've just done or something that wasn't quite right. And would you say that having that theory, that knowledge of what you do is most probably half the battle?
Yeah.
So studying your signs, your highway code and things like that, making sure that you know exactly what the rules are for everything so that there's less stress when you're actually out on your driving lessons.
Yeah, I mean it keeps your worry down because you know what's going on.
Yeah,
you don't
absolutely.
Have to stress about driving.
Absolutely. Well, there we are. That's Ellie, all done with a full driving licence. Well, that'll hopefully be back in about a week's time. Driving licence and independent. So if you're at that point in your driving and you are a little bit nervous and you're struggling, just keep going because you will get there in the end. Good luck with the A-level results tomorrow.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed listening to Ellie's story. If you are somebody that's nervous, stick in there, keep going, don't dwell on faults, and good luck for your A-level results tomorrow, Ellie. Like and subscribe to see some more driving videos to help you along your learner driver journey.